Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today I'm bringing to you this bronzy eye look with this sun-kissed highlights and this bomb foundation that I bought. New bomb foundation. Yep, it's the bomb. It's a drugstore foundation. If you want to see how I created this look and how I got this bomb highlight, please keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment down below, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and here we go. I need to get a new headband thing because this shit is killing me. It falls off, like it's too tight. Like it's too tight, but yet it slips off. Does that make sense? Coño. Ay. I don't think I'm gonna put this on. I wanna put it on. Okay, so we're gonna start off with eyes. My brows are done. I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in Ebony. I have this is the brow definer. Yeah, I need to get a new one. I actually want to try I believe it's the Benefits is the brow contour, brow shaper pencil thing. The new stuff. So I might be buying that because I want to try it. So yeah, we're gonna be using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I bought this obviously when it came out, and I was actually kind of a little obsessed with it. I like the colors in it. It's very fall. It's very winter. It gives me winter fall vibes, which is we're not far from. Let me put on some of this lip mask because I'm chappy, like always chappy. Okay, so my eyes are primed. I put some concealer on my eyelids, and I set it with a setting powder. Nothing fancy or different. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe, doesn't have a number on it, but it's a Morphe brush. It's like a crease brush. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna actually start off in the crease and the outer crease and just work my way in. The color that I'm gonna start off with is Orange Soda. This color right here, and then I'll probably mix it in with some of this color right here, which is burnt orange. I like to mix them both up together. It gives me a nice transition color. I'm gonna go in with the color Sienna. And I'm gonna take this Morphe M433 brush. It's a very similar brush actually. It's a little bit more, no, it's the same brush actually. No, is it? It looks like the same brush, but I feel like the other one's like a little bit more wider. This is a little bit more tapered. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, it's like slightly more tapered. So I'm gonna take Sienna at the tip of the brush and just keep it more in the inner part. See, just the tip. It's a lot. Okay, so you should have something like this kind of going on. Once that is done, I was gonna use the color bronze because I was looking for a bronzy look, but I think I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 3502 palette. I'm gonna go with this palette. And I think I'm gonna use a color here, like this. I don't know if I'm gonna use this one or if I should use this one. Was it this one? No, it's a matte color. This one, sorry. Either this one or this one, but I think I might go with this one because it's more bronzier. It's a more bronzier shade. Yeah, it's a way more bronzier shade. So with my finger, I'm gonna pat that on my lid. I need a mirror because the struggle is real. Girl, I need a mirror out here. I'm just gonna pat it on my eyelid. Just try to keep it in the actual eyelid because on the inner part of my eye, I'm gonna use a different color. So for my inner eye, I'm gonna go back into the Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to use bronze. I'm gonna actually use it's like a gold, really intense gold color. This is really chunky, by the way. So I'm gonna actually just fill it in from here and in. That's fine. Oh yeah, I showed the way it looks. So I'm just again dabbing, which is very little. And just tapping. I'm not even rubbing or swiping, I'm just literally tapping the product onto my eyelid. This stuff is really chunky. So if you like start swiping, it's gonna make a mess. I don't think you're gonna like that too much. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna do a wing liner off camera, because if I do it on camera, I'm gonna be here all day. I'm gonna use my, if I can find it, my Maybelline Master Precise Eye Studio in black. So liquid liner and pen. And I'm going to use the lashes I'm going to be using. If I can find the packaging, would be great. I have the actual lashes. They're called Crystal Glow. Like these really wispy, fun kind of lashes. I have to find it because I gotta shout out the lash brand. Oh, here it goes. They are Foamic Luxury Eyelashes from Lin Beauty Lashes. You guys should check them out. They have really nice lashes, like Foamic lashes. They're really good and they actually last me a really long time. So I'll be right back. Go on you. These lashes are nice. I like these lashes. It's just that fucking corner is not stink. I feel like I'm gonna eat like the actual palette if I get any closer, because that's how close I have to get to put on lashes. Like if I'm in the mirror in my room, I'm like this in the mirror, like legit about to like eat. Yeah. Lashes and eyeliner are down. Thank you, Jesus. Whew. The lash and the eyeliner gods were somewhat with me. Somewhat. Okay, so moving on to face. I'm going to go in with this Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. It is Comfort Matte Transfer Resistant in the color T70 Caramel. I should have done a first impressions on it, but I actually wore it for the Drake concert, and yeah, it lasts literally the entire concert. Like, you can ask my best friend, my face was definitely still intact, and I actually like the way it felt. It was very comfortable. It's almost like I had nothing on my face, believe it or not. It was really comfortable. I liked it a lot, actually. At first it's kind of like yellowish on me, or like, I don't know, it's like a weird color, but once it starts to oxidize, it's fine. I already have on my hydrating cream right here, and so here we go. I use like about 2 pumps, maybe a third one if I want an extra layer, maybe, if I'm feeling that extra. It's a little thick. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin. I know I need a new concealer. It's a medium dark. You guys can see it. Yeah, it's a medium dark. I've been on the hunt for a new concealer. I've never used the Tarte Shape Tape. I heard it's like everything. Might just jump on the bandwagon and get some. Finally, after like, what, a year? Maybe 2. Part of that fam. Part of that fam. Okay, so we're done with concealer. I'm gonna cream contour first. My God, this shit is tight. I'm gonna go in with this Kim K Beauty concealer, and I believe this is dark. Yeah, this is the dark. This is the dark contour. I'm gonna go with the darkest one, obviously, cause I'm a dark bitch, and I'm gonna just quickly contour my forehead. That came out really crooked, but it's okay. I'm just gonna do it here. I'm gonna try and contour my nose. Okay, so we're going to set the contour with this MAC Dark Tan Mineralizing Skin Finish. Say nothing new. Again, I need a new contouring powder because this stuff it's getting old. It's getting boring. I need a new one. I like this one a lot, but I need a new one. Okay. I'm gonna actually smoke out my lower lash line. I'm going to use the same two colors I used in my crease and my outer eye. I'm going to go in with burnt orange and sienna just to smoke out the lower lash line. Okay, I have the Professional Blush 10 color blush palette from ABH Cosmetics. It has 10 blushes. I gotta pick one. I'm not a big blush person. I wish I was, but I'm not. So I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Y10. It's a little cute, dense blush brush. So this is a bronzy look. I'm gonna use this one. It's like sparkles, a little sparkle in it. It's like orangey-ish kind of one. It's not on me, so I like it. Okay, now to highlight. Yes! Highlight. So I'm gonna be using the highlight from Dose of Color and iluvsarahii palette, blush. This is Soulmate. I really like this. I used it in a previous video, and this shit is lit. Super lit. Now, it's a really pretty, I've actually put it on with this one, but I'm going to try and put it on with a fan brush. I want to see how it applies. It's a really pretty highlighter. Like, the only thing I don't like about it is I don't know why it has so much fallout. Like, it's kind of crazy, but, and you know what's funny, I'm not big on fallout, but it's really making a mess here, but whatever. Coño. If the highlighter stop popping, like all the time. Hello. Yo, give me a whole fucking new nose, bro. Yo, I can see this shit. Oh my god. It looks like this on camera. You see how it looks in person. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna just spritz my face. Okay, moving on. Lastly, two lips. So, yeah, this is NudeChic. It's a nice nude color. This is a liquid lip. This stuff dries really quick enough. Like, you gotta work quick. Because I tried to use it one time and I was definitely looking a hot mess. So, I'm gonna line our lips. I like a glossy look, so I might put the gloss on. She has a gloss called Brillo. Yeah, it's this one. She has another one there that's called Barely. I think it's called Barely there, or Burley. I actually like that gloss just by itself. I'm pretty sure it looks really nice with this on too, but. And that is it.